The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
I'm Jeff Snyder, Director of Recycling at Rumpke Waste and Recycling. Today I want to talk to you about a recycled commodity that can be infinitely recycled, and that's glass. Glass represents about 15 to 20% of the recycling stream. Years ago, when Rumpke was looking for a long-term home for glass, Rumpke decided to go all in and build their own glass processing facility in Dayton, Ohio. This glass plant helps further process and rid glass of contamination as a secondary sorting process to supply the highest quality material needed by regional manufacturers to sustain their facilities. The 25,000 square foot glass processing facility is one of a handful of glass operations in North America that can effectively process bottled glass from the curb and drop-off programs for use into fiberglass and to the bottle manufacturing industry. With our glass plant and your commitment to recycling, Rumpke can divert 70,000 tons of glass from landfills annually. That means that material is moving on to become something new and useful, instead of sitting in a landfill for the rest of the foreseeable future. If you want to learn more about our glass operation or recycling, visit rumpke.com, the recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.